My name is Joe and I'm the centre manager here at Hang Climbing Wall in London. So Hang Climbing Wall is it's a bouldering wall. We have been open for about 8.5 months. It started by a group of dedicated climbers that wanted to just provide an amazing space for people to come and enjoy bouldering. So being a climbing wall, obviously climbers use climbing chalk, which is great for climbing, but not so good when it comes to dust management. So it's a daily battle for us. We contacted Dust Arrest and they recommended the air movement fans with a big filter bag on, just to help capture some of that chalk that was in the air after a busy day of climbing. And so far they've been spot on, just helping pick up some of that chalk that does linger in the air after a day of climbing. I think for anyone coming to a climbing wall, having a clean space to be in that isn't just really chalky, really dusty, is much nicer to be in. You know, it's quite a physical exercise, so you're breathing in heavily. If the air is filled with chalk, it's not as pleasant. So I do think, you know, myself as a climber going to other centres, you do notice that the hang is really clean, and it does add to the customer enjoyment. So yeah, working with Dust Arrest, it's been really good, and yeah, it's been really straightforward, getting all the information we need, and it's been honest information. They've got the knowledge that we needed. It's been genuine, relevant help for us as a business, giving us the products that we need